With cash flow, it's easy to cancel an invoice you already sent to the customer, whether you need to change one detail or update pricing. The flexibility is available. Here you can see that we have sent one invoice. Say that you've sent a deposit invoice or perhaps a progress payment. There's a couple of different methods depending if it's the first invoice or a progress payment invoice. If you've sent a deposit invoice, you can simply cancel the deposit invoice here. If you've sent a progress payment invoice, you'll use the Actions button. Note that the customer will receive a cancellation notice via email that includes what's called a credit note, essentially a formal document indicating the customer no longer is obligated to pay that invoice. This leaves a clear and compliant paper trail for all invoices sent and canceled and makes it easy for your customer to track. I'll show you a sample credit note here once we've canceled this particular payment. When you cancel the invoice, the system automatically generates a duplicate unsent version of the invoice. You can see that in the invoices list here. Now you can adjust that invoice as needed and resend to your customer. When you cancel an invoice, your customer will receive a notice like this. It'll have a description of the transaction, noting that the invoice has been canceled, and there will be an attached credit note. All this activity will be tracked in the Recent Activity section below. Note that there is a new invoice canceled line in the Recent Activity section, and you don't have to worry about keeping track of these changes on your own. If you have any questions about this, please reach out to us by opening a support ticket. Thanks for using OpenSolar, and we appreciate your business.